How's it going, everyone? So iPadOS 17 is out, and if you've already updated your iPad or you're planning to update it but you want to know which features are new, you've come to the right video. And also for those that have seen the features maybe on WWDC, because that's where it was first announced, but you want some sort of a recap of what are the new features, then you've also come to the right video. In this video, I am going to take you through some of the top new features, and I will show you how I use some of the features. So let's get to it. So first, let us look at which iPads are compatible with the iPadOS 17. Starting with iPad mini, that is the 5th generation and later. And then for the base model iPad, that will be the 6th generation and later. And then for iPad Air, that is 3rd generation and later. And for iPad Pro, that will be the 11-inch starting from 1st generation, and then 10.5-inch, and then the 12.9-inch starts from 2nd generation and later. So the first feature that we're going to look at is lock screen personalization. So now you are able to personalize and customize your lock screen with more options and widgets and wallpapers. So to do that, you just have to press and hold on the lock screen. And then you click on customize button, and then your lock screen will be in edit mode. So you can add different widgets. So at the top there, you can select the widget that you want. I normally like to select the upcoming events for this top section here. That's the widget that I prefer, but you can select any that you like, whether it's weather or anything else, or reminders. And then the next option that you have there is depth effect. So this is for your wallpaper, so whether you want your wallpaper to have that depth effect there or not. I think it looks better when the depth is switched on, but it's up to you what you can do there. And on the next button on the bottom right there, you can change whether you want your wallpaper to be on dark mode or on light mode or on automatic. So on automatic, it will change to dark mode in the evening and then to light mode during the day. And then on the left panel there, you have different widgets as well, and you can choose which widgets you want to add there and remove ones that you don't like. So for me, I've chosen to add one for battery, which shows my AirPods battery level, and then also a calendar. So you have different options there that you can choose from, including even Shazam. So you can add different types of Shazam widgets as well. And then also other widgets like reminders and also weather widgets, calendar as well. So there's just a lot of options to choose from there, and just make it customized and personalized with your own touch or with the widgets that you need the most. So I think this is a cool way of personalizing and customizing your iPad there. So yeah, there's just so many options there. You can have clock, you can have different battery widgets, you can have one that shows your iPad battery and also your pencil and also your AirPods as well. And yeah, different clocks. So yeah, we are spoiled with choices when it comes to widgets. And then at the bottom there, you will see that there is a focus mode widget as well that shows you the different focus mode that you are on based on your focus mode settings. So for example, for me, around this time I'm usually working, so it would show work there as the focus mode. Although on the 25th, it was actually a holiday, so I need to go back and adjust my focus mode settings there so that it doesn't include work on holidays. Then you can also customize your wallpaper. So there's a lot of new and interesting wallpapers. And you can also create your own wallpaper using emojis. But yeah, the one that I like the most is the default iPadOS 17 wallpaper. Just love that one, those colors there. But then you can also choose one for weather, which is also interesting because it has this effect depending on the weather. So if it's raining, you will also see the rain there, animations on that wallpaper. And you can also choose your own custom wallpaper or your own photo. Then there's also an option of different planets that you can choose from, which I think they are super cool as well. I like that whole effect and the whole depth that these wallpapers have. So pretty interesting stuff. I like this one. This is super cool. The earth. Yeah, I think the earth looks super cool. There is also this hello wallpaper that you can customize as well. So I like the different colors there that you can choose from. And then there is also different languages that you can select from there. So you can see the hello text in different languages. You can also customize your time there, the font. So you can choose different fonts that you want. You can also select the font size, whether you want it to be bold or light. And then you can also select different colors for your fonts there. So there's just a lot of stuff that you can do here to basically change the look and the feel of your lock screen. And just like on iOS 17, the widgets are interactive. So you also have interactive widgets. So you can switch on and off your lights, and you can do different things depending on what functionality the widget is going to come with. Obviously, that depends on the app. And then something that is also found on iOS 17 and also macOS is the ability to create different profiles on Safari. So to do that, you can go to settings, and then under settings, you can scroll down to Safari. And then while you're on Safari, then you can be able to add the different profiles that you want there and customize as well. So to add a new profile, you can click on new profile, then you can select the icon that you want and the color, and then you can type in the name of that profile. So for this one, I'm going to call it project. And you can just click on done, and then you will see it will be listed there on the list of available profiles. And then when you go back to Safari, on the bottom there, you can see that you can easily switch in between the profiles. So each profile is going to have its own bookmarks. It's going to have its own history, browse history, and its own save pages and other browsing information. So this is a cool feature, especially for iPads, because usually you would find that an iPad is used by more than one person, so everyone can have their own profile that they can use. So the browsing information will be splitted and separated. And other updates are on the Freeform app. So for those who don't know Freeform is like a collaboration bot-based application. So there are some new features here, including some new brushes and tools that you can use to write and to draw. So for example, the fountain pen, I kind of like this one. And other brushes and tools that you can use as well. So this is also a cool one. And there is also a ruler. Apparently the ruler was not there, but I didn't notice that we didn't have that. And speaking of Apple's native apps, the health app is finally coming to iPad. So that is a good thing, because now you will have a bigger dashboard to view your health data. And another feature that is coming later to iPadOS is the ability to fill out documents faster with Autofill. So now it can detect even scanned document. It can detect the different fields that you can fill in there, and it will use your saved information to autofill. So this will allow you to quickly fill out documents and to also add signatures. And another cool feature that I like is the ability to work with PDF documents inside your Notes app. So now you can view different PDF documents right inside your Notes app, and you can also add annotations on your PDF documents. So I think this will be cool. This will enhance the different notes that you take inside your Notes app. So that is a summary of some of the top new features on iPadOS, but there are also some of the features that you can find on iOS 17 as well, including new stickers and live stickers, predictive text, AirDrop, enhanced AirDrop, and also FaceTime messages. And we've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think of iPadOS 17. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Catch you on the next one.